up, LNC Fam? Welcome back to another video. It's a new week. We're still searching for a next auction rebuild car, quick flipper, and I came across this BMW that caught my attention. 2019 BMW M5, a nice car. 27,000 miles, 28, condition 1.2, vehicle not drivable, no structural, vehicle starts, no prior paint, no order, one key, clean title, and this is the damage from the bumper, headlight, fender. This side looks like okay, airbags did not deploy, looks like oil looks pretty good, and then same thing, damaged headlight. And then some heavy scratches on the left door, mirror broken, and this is the left rear door, some light scratches, quarter panel and rear bumper, got some scratches. And this is the passenger side, passenger front fender, wheel damage, and the tire came up completely. Then the door is damaged, more scrapes on the door, and this is the quarter panel, right side quarter panel, and that's it. They marked the red, that means heavy damage, and then it goes lighter. So pretty much both sides and rear bumper got some kind of a damage. Then we go and look at the report from bumper, broken, replacement required, left door, paint and body required, fender gotta replace, headlight is broken, left quarter panel scratches, heavy scratches, paint and body required. Same with the door, rear bumper scraped, front door, rear wheel, front door, right front fender, replacements required, wheel is bent, tire torn, mirror broken, and then we go down, owner's manual is missing, and this is one thing I did not like, engine leak repair required, mechanical. I wonder what's going on. And then this is the tire thread left on them. Car has 2 owners. This is the current miles, and it has the accident report on Carfax and auto check. Very nice BMW M5, might be a good project for the channel. So let's go to the auction together, look at the car in person, make sure we're happy with the vehicle. There's no surprises. We'll do a price breakdown, how much all the parts gonna cost us, and we'll go from there. I'll see you guys at the auction. Just got to the auction, so let's go try to find our vehicle and we'll take a good look at it and see what's going on with it. And then I came across this BMW M4, look how crazy. The damage is probably spun out and hit a tree or a pole, but man, this thing is destroyed. Oh boy, hopefully he didn't get hurt, because that's a pretty nasty hit. On this side is perfect. Oh no, look at the quarter. So the whole car twisted. Wow, that's crazy. So this car most likely gonna go for parts. Yeah, too much damage to fix. Even the roof collapsed. So you guys gotta be very careful when you're driving a sports car. With the blink of an eye, you could spin out and end up God knows where. And we found it. BMW M5. Very interesting damage. Pretty much got both doors side swiped. This one's not bad. Okay. No money, no honey. Pretty clean inside. Pretty much this is complete side swipe as well. So I got this side, and then let's check out this side. And then same thing with this side. This door is fixable. This door needs to be replaced. Fender needs to be replaced. What happened here? Just tire came off. Seems like no damage. One of the control arms is broken over there. Most likely need a complete right suspension because of the wheel. Oh yeah, the wheel got destroyed, so that means the bearing is bad most likely as well. So we'll put a complete suspension, fender, door. It seems to be okay. Carbon fiber roof. M5. Looks nice, I like it. Everything seems to be okay in the back. Same thing, I have to repaint the bumper, repaint the quarter, this door, and replace the fender. And mirror is damaged, so I gotta replace the mirror. New fender. Hood, we could possibly save it. Headlight, bumper, yeah, we need a new bumper. Let's go try to open the hood. Beautiful looking engine. Once again, there's no dipstick, so we can't even see what's going on. There's oil, but let's check if there's any coolant. Yeah, there is some coolant. Okay, that makes me happy. Yeah, the rest is looking pretty good. Hood got a little damage. I got it ripped. Technically need a new hood as well, but we could fix this for sure. I know hood we could fix. Okay, let's go. New fender, new mirror, new headlight, bumper, fender, right side suspension, new door. Then I noticed the side skirt is damaged as well, so they have to get a new side skirt. And pretty much almost complete paint job. Yeah, I gotta repair this quarter. There's a dent on the quarter. And then same thing, bumper. So pretty much almost complete paint job except the trunk. So quite a bit of work. I like it. Once we get to the shop, we'll make a parts list, how much everything's gonna cost, and then we'll see if it makes sense. We'll try to buy it. If not, we'll skip, because on this one, quite a bit of work you gotta do to make it perfect. Gotta spend some money on parts, and then lots of labor and paint. But other than that, it's good. I like it. So that's it. Let's go back to the shop, and live auction starts tomorrow. We'll put the numbers together and see where we at, and if it makes sense, like I said, we'll buy it. I'll see you guys back at the shop. Just got back to the shop, so let's put some numbers together and see how much parts gonna cost for this car. And luckily I was able to find most of the parts used on eBay. So we'll start with the front bumper. I found a complete front bumper for $2,495 plus $250 shipping, so that brings us to $2,745. Then we need a left side headlight. Left side headlight costs $1,299. And then I was able to find a right side fender on eBay, and they want $848. And then I looked up the fender. New fender cost $706. Cheaper brand new than getting used one from eBay. Fender liners, they cost $144. So this one is $144 and this one was $144. And we need left side and a right side. Fender and fender liner gonna cost $994, and same with the left side, gonna cost $994. And then we need a right side side skirt, that's gonna cost us $252. And then we need a right side rim and tire. Rim cost $897.60 and tire cost $339. So that brings us to $1,236 for a wheel and tire. And then I was able to find a complete right side suspension that cost $749.98. And then I put a hood just in case, because the other hood is pretty damaged and it's aluminum, in case I can't fix the hood. That's gonna cost $1,349. And then we need a left side mirror, that's gonna be $995. And then for the final, we need right side door, that's another $1,004. So that brings us to $11,618 based on what I saw. And maybe there might be some hidden damages that I missed, couple plastic pieces. Let's just say roughly $12,000 on parts. And then for this kind of a job, you're looking around anywhere, it depends where you go, anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000, which is still a good price for labor and paint. So that brings us to grand total on parts, labor and paint, anywhere from $27,000 to $22,000. Like I said, depends where you go. So this is where we at with our numbers: $12,000 just on parts and $10,000 to $15,000 in paint and labor. So ideally, I want to bid on the car around $30,000, maybe with some change, you know, a couple of thousand more. Because don't forget, car has an accent report on Carfax and auto check, so that's gonna depreciate the value right away. I would say easily another $5,000, maybe a little bit more. So there you guys go. This is where we at with the numbers. Live auction starts right now. I'm not gonna bid too crazy. If we get lucky, we get a good deal, we buy it. If not, it wasn't meant to be, because we don't want to work for free. So wish me luck, and let's see how the auction goes. Oh boy, it sold for $37,000. The numbers are pretty high up there. Not enough money left on the bone, you know. So 37 plus 3% buyer fee, so that's gonna bring us to $38,110 plus $12,000 in parts. So that brings us to $50,000 just for the vehicle and parts, plus additional $10,000 to $15,000 in labor and paint. So that brings us to $60,000 to $65,000. Very high numbers, plus accent report on Carfax. Because I looked up Kelley Blue Book on this vehicle, it's $70,000, and then I found two similar vehicles. One is 2019 and they want $72,000, and then 2018 they won $65,000. Oh man, rough numbers. Unless you're buying this car for yourself and then you're gonna do all the labor yourself and just maybe sublease it to some shop and get a paint job. But other than that, for me personally, it just doesn't make any sense. Kind of working for free, you know, not too much left on the bone. Or unless this car is going out of country, then it makes sense. So there you guys go. Those are the numbers. No luck on this one. Please drop a comment. Would love to hear your feedback. Would you want to buy this car for $50,000 and then do all the labor yourself? And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!